to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different, something I haven't done on this channel in a hot minute. And I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing my super glowy yet natural makeup look for the summer. It is like sweat proof. It just looks amazing and I can't wait to share it with you guys. As well as my makeup, I'll also be showing you guys how I've been doing my hair recently, which I've really been liking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. If you guys are brand new here and have never seen this face before, then make sure you guys come and join the dinosaur family by subscribing down below. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so to start off my look, I'm gonna be using a primer because I feel like a primer is just necessary for this kind of heat to, you know, make the foundation kind of stick to your skin and stay there all day. So today I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of that and pop it all over my face. This also smells amazing. If you guys haven't tried it yet, it's really nice. Oh my god, looking at myself on camera right now, I've got such bad tan lines right here because I've just come off holiday. But speaking of tans, this video is actually very kindly sponsored by Bondi Sands, which I am very excited about. So they have recently launched these 3 amazing products, which are basically like a one-day tan. So you literally just pop this all over your body the night you want to like go out, or if maybe you have some tan lines, or even if you just want a little bit of color, maybe to your legs or something. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this product is going to be perfect for those of you who don't tan evenly all over your body, because for me, I personally always tan so much on my back and shoulders, but my legs are always so pasty. So I feel like this will be amazing to kind of touch up and make your tan even. All of these tans are actually waterproof, so when you put them on, you really need to like scrub it off in the shower to get it off, and they're non-transferable, so you don't have to worry about them going on your clothes. The way I think about the matte one is kind of like a foundation, but for my body. Like it honestly just blurs out everything on your body. It makes your skin look perfect and so much more tan. Now the next product is the Shimmer One Day Tan. This, I'm telling you guys, is absolutely amazing. You obviously can use this all over your body for that ultimate shimmer look. But what I like to do with it is I actually just pop this on my collarbones and also my shoulders and maybe like my legs and stuff, and that just really gives a lot of dimension to your body. It pops in photos as well. I've been using this on holiday when I was taking some photos for Instagram. You guys have probably seen them already, and I am just in love. And lastly in the range, we have this one right here. This is the Gloss Finishing Glow. Now this one is kind of different to the other two because this one has a bit of like a wet look. It looks almost a little bit dewy, which I think is so amazing on holiday. It kind of just looks like you've always walked out of a pool and you've got that like really nice glow to your body. Now this whole range can actually be used all over your body, but also on your face, which I think is amazing for people who tan their body but don't tan their face. You don't have to like match your face to your body with foundation, which sometimes, especially in the summer, can be a little bit heavy. So my little discovery of these has been absolutely life-changing because, as you guys know, I don't really tan that often and sometimes I can make mistakes. But with these, even if you make a mistake, which is very unlikely, you can wash it off, which is great. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the matte one. I'm actually just going to pop this on a little blending brush like this. You can obviously use a mitt if you prefer, but I kind of like using a brush. I feel like you get a really nice blend. So I'm just going to pop that straight on the brush, and I'm actually going to work on my little tan lines to kind of get rid of them and conceal them a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of stipple that tan onto the areas where I haven't tanned quite as much, just to kind of get an even tan. And honestly, you guys, this is an absolute lifesaver. Okay, so now that I've placed my tan, I'm just going to blend this out in circular motions. And I mean, even though this is matte, it honestly looks so good. Like, it doesn't make your skin look dry or anything. It just makes it really healthy looking and moisturized. I mean, look at that collarbone already. Like, that is insane. And even if you have a tan already, it just kind of enhances that and makes the tan a bit more golden and a bit richer in color. So as you can see, that's just really helped to kind of even out the skin tone and kind of help conceal those tan lines. I'm now going to take the Shimmer One Day Tan and just apply that to the brush again. And like I said, with this, I'm just going to pop this all over my shoulder blades and also my collarbones to kind of get that nice glow going. I mean, look at that. It's so subtle, but it just looks gorgeous. Okay, so now moving on to my face, I'm gonna mix my foundation with the Glow Shimmer by Bondi Sands. This is honestly such a good product to mix in with your foundation because it really gives you that natural looking glow to your face, but it's not overdone, and it also makes you look a little bit more tan as well, which is amazing. So I'm just going to mix this in on the back of my hand. This has honestly been my little secret weapon whilst I was on holiday because I actually packed a shade of foundation that was too light for me. So I've just been mixing these two together and it honestly just gives me the perfect shade. As you can see, that's just giving me such a nice, healthy glow to the skin without even trying. So I'm pretty pleased with that. So that is my foundation on. Look at that glow. I just think it looks amazing. It makes my foundation so much more dewy instantly. So now that my foundation is finished, I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit and I'll be using my Tarte bronzer for this. I'm not going to go too crazy and heavy-handed. I just literally want to add a little bit more depth to my face, just kind of around the circumference of my face. Is it just me or does anyone else feel like a thumb or an egg whenever they put their hair up into a bun like this? Because not gonna lie, that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. So gotta get those shapes back into my face with this bronzer. I'm also gonna do a little bit of nose contouring. I like to contour just the tip of my nose and I like to do it kind of a little bit underneath, as you can see. I feel like that kind of gives you that button nose effect, which I really personally like. I honestly feel like whoever came up with nose contour deserves a medal because it's like a nose job but without the surgery, so I am so here for that. So that is pretty much all I do for my contour. I feel like it really matches with the rest of my body now. Next up, I'm going to do a little bit of blusher to kind of get that color back into my face, and I'm going to be using this one right here from Lottie London. I feel like this is such a pretty color and it's perfect for summer, so I'm just going to stipple that onto the apples of my cheeks for a little pop of color. I just feel like this makes you look so much more like healthy and awake. I just love a bit of blush, you guys. Okay, so that is my skin finished. Now let's move on to the eyes. Okay, so for my eyes, I honestly haven't been doing a whole lot at all recently because it's just so hot and the last thing I want to do is wear like tons of eyeshadow. So what I've been doing is I've been reaching for my Huda Beauty palette. This is the rose gold palette, I'm pretty sure. And all I've been doing really is taking this color right here, which is kind of like a pastel-y pink sort of color, and I like to just take that on a big fluffy brush like this and literally just blend that through the crease. It's super easy, it looks really natural, and I really love the fact that it just ties in with the blush, it ties in with my lip color, and it just looks so summery and kind of like fresh-faced. I feel like for summer, less is definitely more, which I just love that because who can be bothered to like throw on a whole face of makeup, especially when it's boiling. And then I just take this color in shade Bay, which is like a really soft vanilla sort of color, I'm guessing, and I just take that on a big fluffy brush again and sweep that all over the lid just to really lighten it and kind of conceal any little veins or darkness on the eyelids. So that's the eyeshadow finished. So simple, but it just looks really, really cute. So because I like to keep my eyeshadow quite simple, I do go in with a little bit of winged liner because you guys know it's not a look from me if there's no winged liner involved. So I'm just taking this felt tip liner right here. I will link all the products that I've used in this video in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. And I'm just going to hold my breath for the next 5 minutes and try and match my liners. Liner is now finished and I'm just gonna go in with some Demi Wispies from Ardell. These are honestly amazing. I have honestly just jumped on the bandwagon of these. I've seen YouTubers talk about these lashes for absolute years and I only just tried them. So I'm gonna pop those on and I'll be right back. The lashes are now on. I think they're so pretty and really natural looking. And I'm not really the type of person to wear lashes every day, especially in the summer, but these are just so easy to apply and so easy to wear. And lastly, for my makeup, I'm gonna move on to my lip. So for this, I'm gonna go for my signature nude lip. This is like a go-to in the summer. So I'm just gonna line my lips first with this little nude lip liner. And for my actual lipstick, I'll be using a matte liquid lipstick because I feel like it's your best bet, especially when it's this hot. It's just not gonna budge and it's not gonna move. And this is my finished look. I absolutely love this look for the summer. I think it's so girly. I love the nude lip and also the really natural looking eyes. I just think it's so glowy and pretty and really simple and quick to achieve, which is definitely perfect for those summer hot days when you don't want to do a lot of makeup but you still want to look put together. And now I'm just going to move on to my hair. I'm just going to take it out of my massive bun. I feel like I have about 1,000 bobby pins in my hair right now, which I'm definitely not going to see again. So I've recently been really liking like a beachy sort of wave to my hair and only to like the bottom half of my hair as well. This is very quick and easy to achieve with a curling iron, but you can obviously do it with a hair straightener as well. So I'm just going to separate my hair into a middle parting first. I'm also going to pop in just a little bit of dry shampoo just through the roots to kind of give it a little bit of texture and volume. So to curl my hair, I'm actually just going to take my GHD curlers, and I'm not even going to use this little thingy. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to curl my hair around it because I find that so much easier. So I'm firstly going to take a strand from the left hand side, and I'm going to curl that away from my face. It's obviously down to preference. I definitely prefer to do it away from my face because I feel like it just frames my face so much better. And then I'm just going to take the next strand and repeat the same thing. I'm just going to fast forward through this because you guys are just going to be so bored watching me curl my hair. Is fully curled, I'm going to take a brush and actually just brush everything out very gently, just so that the curls kind of become one and almost look like beachy waves rather than full-on curls. I have been loving this sort of look. I just think it looks so beachy and it's perfect for the summer. And this is my finished summer glowy look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly am obsessed with this look. I think it's so easy to recreate as well. I will have all of the products that I have used in this Get Ready With Me in my description, so make sure you guys check it out if you are interested in any of the products. If you guys would like me to do more videos like this and more Get Ready With Me's and makeup videos in general, then do let me know in the comments, and also give this video a huge thumbs up so I know. And also make sure you guys subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you here. Come and join the dinosaur family. But that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!